Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix keyboard lagging on iPhone after latest iOS 17 update. For example, if you are having keyboard lagging while you type something on your iPhone, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power button, and after that you can simply restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you have to simply turn it on again, and you have to check your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can go for the next step, which is as that you have to simply go for the settings, and after that you have to simply go back and you have to click on general, and after that you have to simply go to keyboard, and in keyboard you have to check whether you have not installed any kind of third-party keyboards. If you have any, then you have to simply delete that keyboard so that your iPhone keyboard can work properly. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to go for text replacement, and you have to turn it off. And the next thing you have to do is you have to turn off auto correction and predictive test. And after turning off, you can again check your keyboard. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can simply again go to setting, you have to go to again general, and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to click on reset, and you have to simply click on reset keyboard dictionary, which means you have to clear all the keyboard dictionary. After doing all that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and you have to go for the next step, which is as that you have to go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on motion, and here what you have to do, you have to turn on the reduce motion feature, and after that you have to again go for check the keyboard. If the problem is still there, then what you can do, you can simply again open your settings, and after that you have to click on general, and here what you have to do, you have to check for your software update, which means you have to check whether a new kind of software updates is available or not. If it is available, then you have to simply install the latest iOS update, because the many problems on iPhone are solved by the latest iOS update. In this way you can simply solve any kind of problem you are having while you have installed the latest iOS version. If the problem is still there, then you can simply close all the background apps, and you can go for Safari and ask the question in Apple Support, and you will get many solutions of a problem for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.